Switzerland where all the yodelers be. They've learned me how to yodel with my yodel-o-dee. I climbed a big high mountain on a clear and sunny day and met a yodeling gal up on a high Swiss chalet. Now this is how to yodel, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee. How to yodel just like me. It's easy when you sing it. How you go? Yodel-o-dee. First you take a deep breath, then you exhale 1, 2, 3. Then you find yourself a yodeling like a yodeling fool. Now this is how to yodel, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee, yodel-o-dee. Mahalo, thank you very much.